Today, I'm going to show you how to introduce the Wiggle Friends with the number of the day. So when you're in your classes, this is an idea of how you can present each number. Let's get started. Drum roll! Whee! Oh, it's raining. It's raining in Tiny Tinkle's town. And guess who's here? It's the Wiggle Friends. We got Tommy Thumb. He's a cat. Meow. Parker Penguin. Doot, 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 doot. Missy Mouse. Squeak. Rosie Rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. And Pokey Porcupine. Poke, 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 poke. Let's sing our Wiggle Friends song. Ready? Wiggle your fingers. Close them. Wiggle your fingers. Go to sleep, Wiggle Friends. Shh. Shh. Let's wake up Tommy Thumb. Meow. Tommy Thumb is number one, number one, number one. Tommy Thumb is number one. And who is finger number two? Oh, who is it? Doot, 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 doot. Oh, it's Parker Penguin. Parker Penguin is number two, number two, number two. Parker Penguin is number two. And who is finger number three? Squeak! Oh, it's Missy Mouse. Missy Mouse is number three, number three, number three. Missy Mouse is number three. And who is finger number four? Hop, 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 hop. It's Rosie Rabbit. Rosie Rabbit is number four, number four, number four. Rosie Rabbit is number four. And who is finger number five? Poke, 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 poke. Poke, poke. It's Pokey Porcupine. Pokey Porcupine's number five, number five, number five. Pokey Porcupine's number five. Hands together, side by side. Ready? Let's wiggle them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay for the Wiggle Friends! It's time to sing our number song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Wiggle Friends are dancing, dancing, dancing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the number of the day? Drum roll! Whee! How many stars do you see, my friends? Let's count them. 1. There's only 1 star today. That means Tommy Thumb, finger number 1, is our number of the day. Meow. Let's find Tommy Thumb on your hands. Place your hands on top of the picture and wiggle your fingers number 1. Let's try it. Then you're going to pass this around to all of your little friends so they can put their hands on and wiggle their thumbs. Pass it to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. And then you can do a coloring sheet, do a worksheet, or if you have a bunch of littles who love to sing and love finger plays, then you can do another finger song. I hope you find that this episode was really helpful for you to find some ideas to fill your class time and to really create those important connections between the fingers and numbers. We'll see you next time.